Ni bora de babero. Oya Kennedy Japan executives ni baako. Ena ba omi amu twi di ye. O se Kevin J. Mo mu ko fie nkwasiafo gu krom ha di nkwasiasem. Enti ma menkyere mo forms se na tie. Ena picture no bo. Besides, you said I should show them the first page. Okay. My team said, for now, the main channel the first page of Omo forms. So I may say, yeah, so I can register. Tell me, we start here. Besides, I'm fine. More, because you fucking into NPP for no. Omo registration form US. Then I want details in now. Into so pick Omo form now. That's how it looks. I had a criminals. They are all criminals. It is all be on first page now. NPP USA Incorporated Membership Application Form. Yawo this page is nina phone numbers, contact you nina address ni ade. This is how it looks. It is no. I think Monday and you present yama ice. First page bakubia sebere. Page bakubia nipa be trend na omo dosu ye enama ba. Wa dwanwa. Why yo odem? Why soko na mape NPP mwe wozo be kofie. Why so what danwa? Esi ano. Omu page ni say netie. Mo me de ka bi chara me say me miam wa mo combat me miam mo na bewu. Enti NPP for forms no say netie. Enti wo check forms na when you read the forms maybe am the first page in be chere obi an din wo me be chere mo. We are taking the time here, Jumano. Munyam Bekofi. More than TikTok na mujimi. Personal information. Into Kosro Hona. Left side wa. Our personal information. You go. Your prefix. Mr. Miss. Or first and second name. Cell phone or home address. Nickname. Middle name. Primary email. Alternative email. State our zip code. City and address. Nina a first a one. We have the information. Oma feeling nina. Oma feeling. Nipa na de babeno. Na oye Kennedy Japan nipa e na mutwi di no ka executives no se Kevin J bo mu kofie ade ya mesre ni bora de ba bero oye Kennedy Japan executives ni baako e na ba omi amutwi di o se Kevin J mo mu kofie nkwasiafo gu krom ha di nkwasiasem enti ma menkyere mo forms se na tie e na picture no bo ho wo hwe right one top right picture na ho ne bo obadan kakra obehu chapter membership eno so ya tworo enti on. So free a big box na sneak kakra my me enlarge na me chama dey baby danger no ni aha say bon baby danger no free box na asioro ya tro citizenship check what applies aha it's ya already it's NPP before no free box no mu na usane down ho bibi na e ho no citizenship check what applies. And you what citizen of Ghana, dual citizen, US citizen, and others no doors fucking. Now what we got ticket a citizen or dual citizenship and a US citizen. Ye nim so nin kratano. O kra ye found tina play mu ye be butu and we free America ba Ghana. Now so what America na oboa. Inti document ni nie and you list no. It's yen ya grow a month for be coffee, me twa won tro, you go home. Me enya fra me mentia sorry o. Me mentia sorry. Yeah, wicked na de nam into me chro. Into ko down why you see this branch executive into position a bohono chairman, vice chairman, den na registration and annual membership ho into omo forms ni ye ye concentration wo citizenship others den aha. Into forms no wa ha. I am going to publish the first page, second page. Me publish your beard there. Ni ahwe de apeke amano. Moa, ye tumu fo amonte. Me chrem wicked wo wiase. Mo chai ma wuntumi no wen. Na na bi no wen. Me se sa mo kwase afo no omo nyina wen. Me chrem wicked. Munim sa anyum no. Wicked. Sa mo muntantie raga. Wicked. Wicked. Make them wicked. Munim we some musisi so jazifo. All right now, message. I inti we didn't catch up. Let's do the do. Mo. Hey, mo dia munim dia ba ka bunyina mada. Poultry farm way. Any agenda 111 way. Difference be no. Mo be ko fie. Mema Trump de mako. Mo nyina mo be ko fie. Because me wusa mo mudodo na NPP for mo jimi na mo gu abrochiri. Uzbekistan poultry farm na wo me lefty. and agenda 111 na wo me right no enti difference be na wo agenda 111 ba umia na ekufu de buy any Uzbekistan poultry farm tell me difference wo mo NPP for mo jimi mo a mo NPP for mo gwa brojire mo dodo no mo jimi ye mo ko fie me ka bibia me hu so mo jimi mo be ko fie me bukrafu NPP for a mo wa brochire America ha mo nyina mo ko fie wa wonim say ya kire wo din wo registered him. I have it. I've been given a copy. And I'm not going to lie. I have decided to let ICE come after you. My mention state cry ni nyina ebeka yensa and me ba be publish it. You mu nyina mo ko fie. Mo Jimmy obi the Uzbekistan poultry farm be kire mo say we see agenda 11 na mo di Jimmy ti abroche say and ye ntia ase. De na won ntia ase. Un Jimmy ya de na won ntia ase. To me, I want to say this, and me fancy Obia, Ohio State. I have molest NPP register membership. Oba Ayedian, Worcester, sa area hono, Moso me wamo register. New York, me wamo register. Moba Maryland, Virginia, Washington DC, me wamo register. Moi, mo aye. Besides, baby back queen. And that was the sixth one. Let me check. Besides, the sixth one was which one? We have Ohio. We have Massachusetts. We have New York. That is 3. We have Maryland, DC, and Virginia. That is 6. But there's a 7th one. Yes, get me that one. More states in no. Register no. We are going to give it to ICE. Head count, head back could be per head 700. Me menje 700. 30 Ghana infantini. Me ko to carrot abewe. $30 for one. Me make a chum say me pet. Some would use some with Jimmy. Mubeko fie to say more na election time. Mudi mudiako, ye impossible, ye need krata, or the mayamfaka crantum, Nayama, a kufado, for more for nana, and it is possible. Mube yano, yabomu punu banyan. Me say, Mudaho from next week, Mubati banyan. Now, one of our guys, so young people are so in this. We have it. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you. Oh, okay. It was in the second one. Machiramu me mitimia dibuta. Oh, today I'm a me stress. Na me cancer na me stre me ye wicked. Adia me mpe any a better than jollof. And the metro jollof over better da Ghana jollof. It me no better da mint New Jersey. Thank you. That is it. Thank you, Mr. S. I got it. New Jersey, yeah. New York, New Jersey, and New Jersey never come on 7. No, thank you, team. You delayed because it was in the email. Yeah. Come here, my cat. Nipan credit on the Sunday here. New Jersey. Mom was Jesse, New Jersey. Jersey. I hope bone rough with all due respect. So first, no, Italian mafias. No, mukuni po New York. I want number 2. Didn't want Fred dumpster no. New York. The Italian mafias. No, mukuni po number 2 New Jersey. If New Jersey, no be anti ho. I will call New Jersey River. Nipo woody dem. Your hope bon. Ufri DC bad New Jersey. We do animation knows my hope bon. Son me chum. Aye. It's Jersey. Me say about bomb demu bandai. So my yimu 90% of coffee na me kusie. Me. Muni di ebesi. Me say. Me infant temo me ye. Because mumu bino. So man coffee anko tina ade na kufu adja wo mu na mo betena broche didi nkwasi asem. Enti on Endra say na me nim tim na me TikTok na me tie omo na mo keka nkwasi asem se mo. La ilaha mo hu se me mabodam. E kire mo ahemfo no pa achew. Echem mukrom ahemfo ebebu nkotodwe oh yesrew ye nananom hwe eno kura mi ntie echem me class 2 girlfriend ono so owo Vietnam taga no echem ko hwehwe no owo Vietnam waware Vietnam ni ai echem ko hwehwe me class 2 girl bi na me feel pa owo Vietnam waware of Vietnam oteguchi men eho no wo guchi men echem ko guchi men e ko hwehwe no ho ene ni di nkomo me ye wicked brutal. Now one study me nche Yabba dan mu bandang. Both of them Sasha. Good evening, sir. I Obram Sasha how you can pay. Aravo, Obi wiki rough. Aravo police. Jai. Obo Prima gang not in Sasha. Ha. Hello, are you there? Yes, hello. What's your name? Sasha, how you can papa. Yadwa Hanam. Yadu be Hanam, Winim Hanam. I ha yo. Me see omo baswa omo ba ko gina get right na ba ko gina left no ma say no I ready na de oye you know oboma gang o she gloves ma me chim de omo she omo ba ko she gloves wa omo she gloves wa ha e no ma she ice no e gray into what the groma mu hu omo car no normally omo ba a black car I omo tan show light no e wi de omo show ba a black obo say na aye mirror bi tua ho sa de bia no American cars na a Ford e no mu use omo be ba omo ba bom gang. Ojina gechero in Sasha ha. Ubi us good evening, sir. Are you Mr. Cranty? Oh yes, pa. What's that? Why you ready? Yane, you wicked. Jack, go for it. That nipa minim. Jack, mama charge. Mube kofi. Namo ayaka semia me say. Wicked abani patrimuno. Ayo rade jankopon. Omo mia bulletproof. Omo mia handcuffs, omo bia pepper spray, omo mia tuo a load 88. Ayin, and a bakusha, and an eti ha no. What's that bakwe bia chiro ho? Etuo. And also bulletproof. And now, bema ting. We jana body kakribo wicked. On one ban we din kan abo bo eye de milk ni bi na ase na body afadi trim. Into jina wa bandan. Uchi uba hwe hu ye. Uchi uba hwe hu ye. Ofa nipa na hweso na kosi nipa no de ko fie. Uchi left hwe ye over the pa mem bia nwum ne kase kakra udi omusia uchi ka hwe ye memfa nkotwe obi because uchi uba na left na nkotwe obi asemaba uchi America uchi truck and uchi taxi hwe ye red you very careful especially bronze for na muji taxi rough no mudu light agina ukotwa light we obafie kwabena dai taxi ni twina tena fie yo mesi dey mo amuchi taxi no mo amuti Bronx amuchi yellow cab no sa yellow taxi no mo so na mo nam light wi mesi se omti te light mo u like u yellow na e wo 2 miles gina wo ho na man san so green gina so be 3 minutes ansa na wotwam ya ho ye de nim timing ya time light no ye nim ha utwam abeto kwifi eno no efie media mi tumofo obetele we and there is a oya hu hie nye obaso gina ha obi stay in the car how are you do you know you run the light so say I don't know okay license and registration ukoye kukuru ta o say self defense then abeka men prepare ho ya ka say you license bra no din kan de on sa kire are you legit I say bring your license kakra Jimmy you be ku to atwene inti de bia na say omomo ba say inti NPP for register ba mo be ko fie mo amuti Maryland no your friend baby get me the name girl area who your friend was saying spider get me the name girl area baby o won wure mu your from Maryland ye wure mu hoyi some nya address na fe na me be suma yes 750 men je kese 30 girl here o Maryland TV so kan kwasase bia na ha omo de ne de atum dada do your friend was saying girl here titi e be se hwe so obi legit okrom ha na sene e be legit no be kirekirem ya ji sika ne de we legit ba no gent na oba ye de na oba si so e ma ye so enye so spring omunim be bia make no ye nim nyina address Intiesiano, bogus NPP for obi ka pem a tinem manipa de nko men koye hey call your insurance company men koye sa na obeko fie obi de pem to aka so thank you yeah it's okay yeah the car pem boga car to pause it's okay it's good see we are member see koye hey where's your insurance and what is the there obeko fie see Inti the pimu car to atenem na nipa ne ba so no problem it's okay we are Christians also no we need to call you so no don't worry I will take care of it I'll have a body shop I'll go also no abrofo so dey be no more insist the more all chedo na police for neighbor Inti tudane. Yade apem okura tudane. Enye saa ubedem. Ya udem no ya de ubefie. Inti mo amutwitwi yellow cab no taxi for mo na mo ni mo ho pa. Say obi di pem wa kache di pan say we are all Christians and go. Men gina ho abrofo no de om de twu kitu bi obaba be gina ho. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. I can give you my insurance card. Don't do it. Catch and say it's okay. I'll take care. I have body shop. Oh, it is in the man. You need yano. Abrofo yankophobia. Oh, pamo okura no mo da hoba. Into yes, also please. I'm sorry. It's fine. It's okay. You be a good guy. You know, have a wonderful day. For a wonderful day, one for the wonderful days. And I'm fat. Oh, come and go straight. Wom. Munina bokofi. Munina. Bidi munina bokofi. Hey, ready? Man, I feel I'm better go for some be a fucking wicked. Hey, ready? I go. On say most like Joe. O de bo plane ni pado do beba. On say I say grow. Mo be hu ni pado do mbeba. No mo ba me ni o mo beba. Ye dru airport ye hanky him. Omo no mo ba no de to pada gumu so. Kwasiafo muti kroma mai say nwan. Muti kroma mai say nwan. Na men saka mo register no. Somebody mo din hye ho he. E na me de kire mo register no. Na mo jinsa mo ya Kevin Taylor. Information ni nyina. Information. Ninyina, baby, I am done citizenship check. What applies? You're citizen of Ghana. You're a dual citizen. And you're US citizen. Any others? Others didn't hear me. Obiabe pruvi. More in this NPP for. Mechiram wicked. Greenbelt, Maryland. Sa area ho. Yabe bomu punum. Near Busan would say, are you legit? Or say, I just came recently and we got married. Yeah, over chirasi. Now sa be na uji sika na obati ufie na no sa no ma me say wo sa be no wo so beto ne na kofie ye bebusa wo say how did the relationship start uji sika ware kurom ha me under me watch ye be bom panyan where's the address? Let me show you where the address is. Me a fucking guy mama me kasa kracha na me Bowie Maryland Bowie a honesi a dino Bowie na Maryland. Hey, Raddy Kevin. Ayangwa. Bowie, Maryland. Baby, we're from Bowie. A Honda me mama ba. I know the house. I know the address. People have to prove themselves how they got here and what made them legit. Ma bodam. Mahama de ne bodje. Me chiramu. Me bot me bo address a chiramu. Oh. I didn't buy a last no. I want to mention Uni legit manu di kroma na munim de eba ye de ebesoma ebeduru a na mo nkasa mo kirekirem Bowie ye besoma ebeduru a na mo kirekirem ai ye de ebema mo pass so mo betima break ya na so mo bechi ball no me ya penalty na so indirect kick ye de ye bema pass no ye behwe de besu kroma Bowie mabo omo mo to no munim de America mo amode mo dan basement ama rent no you know me I know everybody's room o me minimo bia status okrom ha you bet direct it yes $700 me here $700 me dey den $30 per infantini me dey koto carrot na ma ton fante dokon kakra na me twitwa obeba me tebe ho me ba me mante ya na awe they say what's this me man to pick up from me tia ya we kakra na etwa dokon kakra shito me ne me man sa yetumi we carrot obeba say nkura ai kakra ya de mo be carrot ka ma moa Bowie ye ba ho intimo sare a na den obokonom to Twitter a TikTok mu jimi mo ho na we de Trump anya de Trump adan aha na wo free oba ha ekwan be na fa so ba ha ukrom ni ho be kwai ni ho anya nkirem ni ho NPP trust want na krom ambobra adan na wo be de wo da ho te ha ye den ko krom mo if a man come to Ghana no if your man come to Ghana for the men will come to Ghana very soon. Mr. S, give me the green light. I've been going back and forth with my team. They are insisting I need to present the document before I show it on TV. But Mr. S, I can just present it. And when I go there, and Mr. S is insisting, boss, present it first before you show it on TV. But I want to present some. Maybe say, you see, there's something I want to do. Maybe say Ghana for who BB. Send a bay omo kasa omo be dwene ho. Mr. P, Mr. S, I want to put one page And then after that page, we can take it out. Yes, that's what I want to do. There's a problem with P and S. Mr. S said no. Mr. P said we should. I want to just put one on the screen for people to know, because we need to. My team is insisting, say we should first present it to ICE. We should just email it first, and then after that, I can put it out because people will change their location. But besides, Mr. P, I don't care, because when they change their location, they're still going to come back home. Because some of them, they have their workplace on it, they have their address. So why? Jack, give me a minute. I want to deal with my team. Because this thing, I need to put someone on the screen. I need to deal with them. 1 second. I think Mr. P has a point. He's saying, say, in fact, the anonymous phone line, you need to stay anonymous. He believes, say, when we send the list, after it's been sent, then we can at least put it out. Because at this point, we want to present it as anonymous people, we don't want to show face. So Mr. P believes that it's better legally, we should present it. When I present it, then basically it has been made official. So I can come out and put it out. So it makes sense. He has a point. Because obviously, Omoka say in conform free without saying where they are calling from, their name, they just have to give concrete evidence. Omo corners Omuchinipana is $700. Now, Mr. Eskaze says, if I put it out, that means I am breaking that rule. So it's better we send it. After we send it, then at least it's already sent. It's in the system. I can actually come out with, but we have the list. So that's what my team back and forth, And I believe Mr. P has a point in this. But the list that we have, we will present it. It's very, very important. Now, I think I'll pick phone calls. Kakra, Namapon show. We are not done. Say they be a pay once in a while. Me pay 2025 season and start here. But it's always important. Say they be meba na mabe breaking things down. Send by a Ghana for be no kreno any dear echo. So I'm going to pick calls kakra be 5-10 minutes. Na my end show no. So let me see. Let's see. I'm going to pick one or two. Through. Hello.
Hi, Devin.
Good evening, madam.
I'm Patrol. What to say?
No, yeah.
Yeah, there was a my power here now. The way I will petition want to go to Parliament today, and Seminar Mukano, no Kwanswa, by a slow on behalf of Ghana Fono. Yes, slow a bit more, mobile if any idea is slow factor what it. Now, would the bedroom on which you are any pabone, Miss Slow Ankasa. Why?
That's it. Thank you very much.
The woman is saying, Prefer Gomania. Now, US are 70 dear. Why, dear, cry me a baby, Yakasi,